What's going on, everybody? Y'all know who it is. It's JJ. You know, we about to get up here inside this dealer-only auction, see what the price is going for. We got some cars last week, so hopefully this week is better than last, you know, so let's get in here and get to it, man. You know, they said they got over 650 cars, so we're gonna see. 650 cars, that's a lot of opportunities. Let me clean my shoes off while walking, so let's go.
$15,000, $15 down, 15, 11 bid, 10 grand, 10 more, 1 grand, more down, 2, 11, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 249, number 249. Number 50, 50's in, yellow light, goes good, green light, drive it, hit right, how much is 20, somebody get 20 down, no, it's got tail damage, 20 down, no, down, 15, 2, I got 15 down, no, deals on, 2, down, 15, 2, 4, 15, 6, down, 15, 6, 8, down, 16 down, no, down, 16, 2, 16, 4, 16, 2, 4, 6, down, 16, 9, 17, hit 2, down, 17, 2, 4, 17, 4, $600 down, 17, 4, down 6, hit 17, 4, down 6 bid, 17, 4, down 600, call, 17, 4, buyer number 265, number 51, yellow light, goes good, 51, how much are you? 15 down, $15, 10 grand, 11 grand, now one, $11,000 down, 2 down, 11, 2 down, 2 down, 3 down, 4 down, 5 down, 11, 5 down, 6 down, 6 down, 11, 5 down, 7 down, 11, 7 down, 7, 8 down, 12 hit one, 2, I get 1, 2, hit 12, so 12, buy number 230, 52.
Walk around, see what they got today. Let me know if it looked like 650 cars. It's a nice truck.
Yeah, details only gonna cost like 100. What's up, Jack?
What's going on, man? Take a walk around here. Got the Power Wagon, got the Corolla, and where's that, a Camry? One of the two. Need a battery though. Walk around here, see what we got. See if it look like 650 cars out here today. You got somebody y'all want a Fiat? Nissans. Got all type of cars for you guys. I don't look like 650 cars, but who knows? You never know these things. Maybe. What's going on, man? Let's walk back here, son. Yeah, okay. It looks like 650. Yeah. Got some good selection of cars today. Good selection. Yeah. Came out here with some cars so we can make some money. Got it. What you doing back here? You got any advice to give the people today?
Just looking around.
Just looking around.
Then something gets in my eye.
The people need some advice. What advice can you give them? Business advice.
Yeah, well, find something to do other than the car business.
Why you? They don't want to know. Oh yeah, it's a little rough right now. Oh man. Cars on top of cars. City of Detroit, friend. The city of Detroit. Detroit Pistons. Detroit Pistons, friend, man. Okay. Should have had like a little Bad Boys logo right there. You know, that's when you. Some cars today. That's the walk, so let's get back inside and see what they got. See what these prices looking like today. Feel like the prices should be back down to reasonable, so we're gonna see. Let's go get back inside.
Anybody want to be in? Get it out of here. Get it out of here. Yes, here we go from Seth Watley. Number 901, Charlie 901. Good gears all the way. Good gears. Good guarantee. Rick! What would you give? 4,000. 40 miles in the minute here. 1 minute, 1, 2, 1 minute, 2. Sean! 42 in a minute, 2, down 3, 3, 3 in a minute, 3, 4 in a minute, 44, Sean. 44 in a minute, 4 in a minute, 4, 9, 5, 9, 6 in a minute here, 45, 6. 46 in a minute, 7 in a minute here, 7 in a minute, 6 in a minute, 7 in a minute, 8 in a minute, 8 here. 48 in a minute, 8 in a minute, 5 down, 5 down, 5 here to 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 5 down, yes or no, 5 down. Down 1, 51, 51, 5 down, 1, Jake, 5 down, 1, what's the name, Jake? 75. I'm sorry. So 43, 355, number 143, give us one to me, guys. 16, 16, outside,
We got Bonnie in the building. Let them know.
What's up, JJ? Cars and Advice.
Tell them about your channel, Bonnie.
So my channel is a little bit about everything. I try different products. I try all kinds of things, food places. And then I take you in a little. Oh yeah, I make drinks.
Bonnie does everything.
Yeah, I do a little bit of everything. Y'all
Let
should
them
come
know
check
about
me
your
out.
channel. Let them know your channel's name, Bonnie.
Oh, Bad Bonnie. It's Bad Bonnie. Y'all should come check me out. I don't want to be put in a box, so I talk about everything. And if you guys do come over and you have any recommendations, feel free to let me know. I'm always open to anything.
Bonnie, her link will be in the description, and we also gonna do a sit down with Bonnie because she's gonna answer all the questions about the auction. So anything I don't know, Bonnie will answer. So y'all be looking out for that sit down, and I'll be featuring one of these days on Bonnie's channel. So
Yes.
so tell them again, Bonnie.
Bad Bunny on YouTube. Come check me out.
Go check her out.
Thank you guys.
All right, here we go. Get to the hay. Get yours all the way down. Dirt max now. What do you want to get there? Money, 34,000, 34,100 money there, 34,111. Anybody want to bid? Get on the money, guys. Let's go. Woo boy, 30,000, 30,001. 30,000 on the month, and a money here. Just bid there, old buddy. 34,111 month, and a money here, 34,1. I'm $30,000 month, and a money here. $30,000. 30,001 here, now 1, 2, and a money 2. I'm 30,001, 2, 2, and a money here, 2, and a money 2, and a money 2, and a money 2. I'm 30,001, 2, and a money 2, and a money 2, and a money here. Now 3. Down here, 30,003, and a money 3, 4 here. 800, 30,008, 800, 30,600, 888. You do it now. 31 pounds, 31 pounds. I'm 31 now, 2, 2, 2. You're at no, sir. 31, 2 again, right there. I'm 31, 2, now 2, now 2, and 3, 4, 32, 4. I'm sorry, 31, 4, now 6. 31, 4, 6 in the middle here. 31, 4, 6 in the middle here. All in all, that takes $32,000, man. We're close, buddy. All right, 165. All right, here we go. Get it on here. 942, 942. You want to buy that? Okay, you're going to buy that truck for $32,000. Nope, number 930. 930. We just sold it for $32,000. What's your number there, TV? 226. Thank you, man. Appreciate the help, my man. I'm ready to go get another money here. Number 942 with 16 money. Whoops. 16 money Camaro. Get it on 1812. 1812. Hit a minute. Guys, I'll guarantee all day. What do you want to get? I need a bid. Let's go. I'm on 15 pounds, 15, 1 minute here, 15, 1 minute here, get it out, go. 15, 1 minute, 1 minute here, 15, 1 minute, 3. You want to bid serve down for it? I'm 15, 4 here, now 5, 15, 5. Snow Eagle, you're out, 15, 5. Now say 15, 5, 6, and a minute here, 6, 7, and a minute here, 15, 7, and a minute, 7, now 8. I'm 15, 7, 8, 8, 8, 8, 9, 15, 9, now 16 pounds on a bid. 18, 9, 16, and now 16, and I'm 1 minute, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. I'm 1 minute, 2, Max, you're out, 16, 2, now 3. I'm 3 now, 4, and a minute here, 16, 3, 4, 4, and a minute, 4, and a minute here, 3, 4, and a minute, 4, 5. 16, 5 here, now 6, and a minute here, 5, 6, and a minute here, 6, and a minute, now 7, and a minute here, 16, 7, 8. 8, 8, 8, a minute here, now 8, 9, 9, 9, 16, 9, 17, down. 17, 1, 17, 1, 17, 1, 7, 4, 7, 9. 17, 1, 1, 1, to the giver. 17, 1, 1, 1, now 1, 2, and a minute, 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 2, on, and a 3. 17, 3, good. And 2, and a minute, 3, 3, and a minute, 3, and Mr. Goober. 17, 2, 3, and a minute, 3, and a minute, 3, and a minute, 3, and a minute, 2, 17, 2. Number 226. Thanks, Matt. Here we go. Number 9. 43, 9, 4, 3. And get another money here. What do you want to get? I have no idea. Anybody in the 13 model Land Rover, 12 on 2, and a minute 2, and a minute 2, and a minute 2. Mike, what do you get for that? All right, 16 down, 16, 1 minute here, 16, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. All in, all done, 16 down, 1, 1. Anybody else? 16, 1 minute, 1, get a minute, get a minute, get a minute, 1, get a minute, 1, get a minute. Last call. 16, 1, what? You're not. You got to be 15 down, 81. 8 down number 81, had the butter there, 81 to the butter 1, 81 2. 81 to the butter 2, Mike, you're out. 81 2, 3 here, down 4, had the butter 5. 85, now wait a minute, you're going to stay here if you bid on it? 85, had the butter 6, 1, 2, 3, now 4. 94, had the butter 4, 5, 7, now 6, had the butter here, 96, now 7, had the butter 8. 97, now 8, 8, had the butter 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 9 here, 99, 10. I 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, gotta go one. I 10, 1, 10, 2, 10, last call. 10 2. 10 1 2. 10 1 2. 10 10. 10 1 2. 10 2. 10 1. Put her on 2 and 4. Thank you, here we go. Get another one here.
About 30 more minutes left at the auction. Man, didn't get anything so far. Maybe by the end of this video, or I'll make a video of me picking up some cars if I end up getting anything. There's a couple cars on call, so I have to wait until later and see if they actually sell them to me, because that's what on calls mean. They have to call the seller and see if the seller's going to accept my offer that I gave them. So I'll have to wait till that until 5. So I haven't got anything until they call me. Tomorrow I'll be dropping the video with Carlos. I did Lucky's video part 1. So I'll be dropping the part 2 with Carlos tomorrow. So if you can, you guys, drop a like on this video, drop a comment. I know a lot of you guys don't like comment, y'all watch the video. And if you can, just drop a thumbs up in the comment section. You don't have to write any message. If you can just drop a thumbs up in the comment section, that'd be greatly appreciated. Drop a like, share this video to somebody that may be interested in car buying advice and just auction overall stuff. But I appreciate all the feedback. I didn't get too much video for you guys today because I got the phone call that I was waiting for. So my brother has one route, and we finally got the close on his other route. So we got 2 routes now. So we got 2 routes, got another box truck. So we got 4 box trucks in total. Now we got 2 routes. So we're gonna start working this route, and then we're gonna close in on another route. So that's why that was the call I got today. It was finalizing that route, they told me. So that'll start Monday. So we got that closed in. So man, I'm happy. So sorry if I didn't get too much footage for you guys this week. I'll definitely have more footage for you guys next week. Just keep dropping the comments below. Drop thumbs up if you can. If you want to see any particular vehicles, keep dropping those in the comment. I read basically all the comments, respond. Try my best to respond to most of y'all of them. But yeah, if you don't comment that often, but you watch the video, man, just drop a thumbs up in the comment section. It's gladly appreciated. Also drop those likes on the video, and share the video if you can. Appreciate you guys. I'm out. Peace. Y'all have a good rest of your day, and be waiting for that Carlos part 2 interview tomorrow. Let's go. Peace.